Section 2.5, the chain rule. If function g is differentiable at x and function f is differentiable at g of x, then the composite function big F is equal to f compose g. You recall from algebra that f compose g, that means the function g plug into the function f, and the function f is the most outside one. The composed function big F of x is differentiable at x and is given by the product. So in the Leibniz notation, you can think about y is f of u and u is g of x. Then are both differentiable functions, then we have dy over dx, which is the first derivative of y with respect to x equal to the derivative of y with respect to u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So they are basically the same thing. So I'm just look at this formula and then we will apply that for example number 1. The main idea to do this is we have to think about the composed functions, the two functions that are composed of each other. Then we apply the chain rule. Okay, and keep in mind that the function f is the most outside one. Think about the composed function if we have f of x equal f composed g, that means f of g of x. The most outside one should be square root of x, and the inside is x squared plus 1. Since we do not have square root of x only, so I'm going to change this a little bit. So instead of have f of x, I'm going to make it f of u, because we don't have square root of x, right? We have square root of something. So we're going to make u. Then apply the formula above. I will take the first derivative for the function f. Okay, so which is square root of u. Square root of u is the first derivative of f of u is, this is the same thing as u to the 1/2 and is equal to 1/2 u, and the exponent will decrease by one step, so we got 2 and 1/2 and then u to the negative 1/2, or this is the same as 1 over 2 square root of u. Okay, and we're gonna write down for the orange part. The orange part is 1 over 2 square root of u. Then the next one is multiply the g of x. So g of x is x squared plus 1. We use the power rule on the x squared, so we get 2x, and the derivative of 1 is 0. So we just got 2x. Now let's write everything in terms of x, okay? So 2 times square root of, you remember you identify the u is the one inside the square root. So the one inside the square root is x squared plus 1, okay? So we write x squared plus 1 times 2x. And then we get x over square root of x squared plus 1.